afternoon. Oh, look at this, man. I'm at Mid Valley at ANW. I think they just opened this new ANW, but you know what? What intrigues me to come here is because of the setting, facing the waterfall. Oh, really good. It's windy here. Really good while I can do my work. And also here, the classic Anw Coney dog. So, oh man, and also my Sunday. Oh, so really good time, man. Oh, so let me try. It's been a while since I tried the McDonald's, the Anw Coney dog, the classic Coney. Oh, come on. So let me try that. Oh, here we go, man. Oh, really nice. And try the Sunday, man. Oh, that really hit the spot, man. Having a hot dog while, oh man, they turned off the fountain, man. What the heck, man. I wanted to give this an A+ rating because of the fountain and the hot dog and the environment, but now with the fountain off, I will give this environment a B, man. No, a C. Really disappointing, man. I was always expecting to have the fountain, but it really stressed, man. I came here just for the fountain to hear the water splashing, but you know what? It is gone. Disappointing, man. Never mind, man. That's all for today. I want to end this video because of the disappointment. That's all for today. Have a nice day.